the field of sales. It's always been around sales and coaching and that similar consistent theme. Whereas I see so many people, they chop and change. It's like crypto, then it's e-com, then it's network marketing, then it's affiliate marketing. And they don't realize that they're the common denominator in all of it, and that they reach the same sticking point in everything that they do. And I give so many friends and people this advice. I'm like, you just got to stay with something for 5 years or more until it pops. And even if you realize, like Matt did, he's still in the buyer's agent industry. He's just decided to go work with a mentor who's already got the foundations and a brand and a business set up. And now he's making more money. And that's what I teach you guys to do, is close high-end sales, close the most expensive thing that you can find based on your experience and skill, but close for someone else that's already got a brand, the character, the vision, is a good leader, and has the money to spend on ads. And then it's easy for you. You show up, they've got a good brand. A lot of the leads are already educated about it, and you just take them through a simple process and you can make over $1,000 a call.